Denim has always been an everyday symbol for style. The beauty of denim jeans is its versatility. You can be comfortable and sexy. You can wear it at all occasions in all seasons, and you can pair it with any other separate. So denim jeans are a must-have in your wardrobe. It's a staple. And I'm sure most of you, like me, love your denim jeans because you can just slip them on and go wherever you want to go. But while choosing a pair of denim jeans, there are some mistakes that we do make. And today I would like to talk to you about the mistakes that we make when we are choosing a pair of jeans. Hello everyone, my name is Rashida Kapadia and I am an internationally certified image consultant. I am also a corporate trainer and an etiquette coach. I like to call myself life and style guru because I not only help people to look great, I also help them to enhance their life skills. So let's begin with mistake number 1. When we buy a pair of jeans which it does not fit us very well. For instance, if we have a paunch and we pick up a pair of low-rise jeans, the paunch will be more enhanced. So if you have a paunch or a bigger midriff, try to opt for high-rise or mid-rise jeans. This will ensure that your paunch is concealed. People with wide hips or pear-shaped bodies should opt for boot cut or straight leg or slightly fed jeans because this will help to even out their body shape and not make their hips look very wide. But in case you like to wear skinny jeans, pair them with a longer top, and this implies for both men and women. Pair them with a longer top that falls below your hip line or a kurta that is up to your knees, and it'll look fab. I know skinny jeans are in fashion, so you can always use them with longer tops in case you're a wide hip person. Another mistake that we make is when we are wearing jeans at the workplace, we should ensure that our jeans are of one color. They are the basic classic blue, indigo, navy, or a dark pair of jeans. Light blue jeans, boyfriend jeans, faded, shaded, ripped are not appropriate for the workplace. So pair your jeans with a nice shirt or a blouse, a smart belt, a pair of smart formal shoes, and you're ready for a meeting in a smart casual look. Another mistake that we make is when we do not alter our jeans. So if you buy a pair of jeans that are too long and there is a clump of, or there is a cluster, or there is a gather of cloth at the hem, that's a fashion faux pas. That is definitely a no-no. And especially for people who have shorter legs or petite people, this will ensure that their legs look even more shorter. In order to avoid that, see that you get your jeans altered to the right length so that they don't make your legs appear shorter. Those were the tips that I wanted to share with you today. I hope they added value to you, and do watch out for my next videos where I will be sharing more tips for you. This is Rashida Kapadia signing off. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.